checklist.
T4 start, sorry fire. Internet is on, safety pins.
3 removed.
Gravity crossflow is checked, windshield window heat is checked, pressurization is set, voltimeters.
1023, 610.
1023, 610, set and cross-checked. Gas is checked. Takeoff data are set, trims neutral. Set for departure. Passenger safety brief.
Not required.
Passenger signs are on, transponder alt off. Squawking VFR and emergency takeoff brief. It's complete if you have no questions, same as before.
Yeah.
Before start complete.
Start checklist.
Start checklist. Doors.
Closed.
Parking brake.
On.
Fuel quantity and balance.
So balancing and 1000 extra at the moment.
Check. Beacon.
On.
Left and right boost pump.
On and checked.
Bleed air.
Set for start.
Ignition.
Alpha armed.
Right engine. Right side's clear.
09, contact Biggin approach 129.
Starting right engine.
405, goodbye. Approach 129,
Time.
405, 109, bye bye.
Right off. Fuel flow. $55.
Starter cutout.
Roll back. 2, 4, 6, focus. Start right engine.
Left engine.
Left clear. Starting left engine.
Biggin approach,
Time.
109, level 2,100 feet outbound, north from Kenley. 109, still with tower, contact approach please, 129405. Approach 129,
Right
level
off.
405 and 009.
$55.
Starter cutout.
2, 5, 6. Focus start left engine after start checklist.
After start checklist.
Approach, 109, level 2,200 feet, outbound by Kenley. 109, still with Biggin Tower, but you can squawk on security and my service terminates. Caution, the glide device for Kenley is active and suggest 3 Farm Blast West 125.250. 125.250, 109. Flight instruments, 114, 121, 133, 147, speed below 40, 170 box, autopilot coupled my side, actual 2300 pre-selected. 600 indicated, 1023, QNH headings 286, and selected heading 219, FMS 2, no flex, no warnings.
Okay, go ahead.
After start, generator 1 and 2
On.
ACDC electrical page, check, APU generator
Off.
10 stage bleeds on the APU,
On.
ignition,
Disarm.
PAX,
On.
14 stage valve left and right is checked, wing count on the ice is off, APR,
Check out.
FMS mode zoom, flaps 20 ADT control unit, flight controls are checked, no steer,
Armed.
flight instruments CAS,
Checked.
checked. And after start's complete. Sollten wir beim Takeoff Run die Anti-Skid kriegen, dann continue.
Also nicht vor
Was?
80.
Ne, vor 80 nie, aber alles was danach ist, weil sonst
Okay,
fliegen die.
dann hätte ich gesagt Go Oriented.
Ja.
Okay.
Wahrscheinlich gleich bevor. Biggin. So, request taxi.
Taxi holding points, Alpha 1, runway 21, via Foxtrot 2, Bravo and Alpha.
Foxtrot 2, Bravo and Alpha, holding point Alpha 1, runway 21. Same as before.
So left clear.
Right is clear. Luftblockzeit da.
Da?
Was?
Ist der andere da?
Hier? Ne, bei mir ist niemand hier.
Ja, weil da ist jetzt noch diese Finnen da.
Achso, ja, da Doch, so wegen dem bin ich Ecke dort. Müsste über die gelbe Linie fahren. Sehr gut Scheiß. So, 5-2. 5-2, okay. Ja gut, er geht davon aus, dass wir da über die gelbe Linie fahren.
Ja, ist dasselbe Material wahrscheinlich. Ja, das geht sich.
Ja.
In Amerika ist das noch mega viel.
Da passt noch ein Flieger durch. Ja, clear. One of clear.
Function
Was?
2, Papa Yankee, vacate right, Hotel 1, taxi to the main apron via Hotel Park
Nope,
with Marshall.
clear.
Hotel 1 to the main apron with Marshall, then Function 2, copy.
Yep, good.
Okay, my brakes are checked. Check your brakes.
My brakes checked.
Brakes.
Okay.
Ja, das war wahrscheinlich so eine elektronische Geschichte. Sollen wir ihn vorlassen oder? Nee, der geht wahrscheinlich dann hier rein.
Denke ich mal. Zumindest nichts gesagt.
Oder vielleicht geht er nach rechts. Ja, ja, der geht nach rechts. Okay.
Biggin Tower, good afternoon, Golf Mike Papa Foxtrot Charlie, positioning for left base, runway 21. Golf Mike Papa Foxtrot Charlie, Biggin Tower, good afternoon, continue to join left base, runway 21, before final, on board. Continue left base 21, before final, Golf Foxtrot Charlie. So I have your turn.
Alright, go ahead.
Hold at Alpha 1, cleared on a LYDD 2, standard departure routes. Climb to altitude 2,400 feet, squawk 7207.
The Alpha 1 lit to departure initially 2,400 and the squawk 7207.
Correct, full ready for departure.
So 7207 is in the box, 2,400 lit 2 is in the box as expected. Go.
ATS and flight direct engaged.
Thank you. Bravo to the left.
Ja, taxi checklist.
Taxi checklist, brakes,
Checked.
checked, thrust reversals.
Checked.
Takeoff brief, standard right at sea takeoff bleeds on
Golf
the APU.
Foxtrot Charlie, runway 21,
For the normals, straight ahead, right turn out 2,400. Initially, the modes in this car will be enough vertical speed and early autopilot speed 170. Max for the turn, and any performance issues, we're going straight ahead, runway track, acceleration 2090, going up to 2400. The modes in this case will be heading flight level change with the speed of max 143.
And go orientated.
Go oriented.
Biggin Tower, Golf
So we should get the Santis kit before 80, and we have to stop.
Golf Charlie,
full reverse.
Try to use reverses more. And then depending on the situation, you know, 60 below 60%.
Yeah.
Charlie, QNH 1023, taxi request.
Clear it?
That's clear.
Golf Foxtrot Yankee, taxi to the run-up area via Kilo and Alpha.
Taxi to run area via Kilo and Alpha, Golf Charlie, Lima Foxtrot.
Golf Mike Papa vacate left, Foxtrot 1, taxi shipping via Foxtrot and Lima.
Yeah, make it to the end, Foxtrot, then shipping to Foxtrot and Lima.
Soll das ATS aus dem N1-Mode rausgehen, dann disconnecte ich das ATS. Im Departure, ne? Nur, dass du Bescheid weißt.
Ja.
Man keine Lust an den Hebel festzuhalten die ganze Zeit.
Ja. Was denen bei dem Text eingefallen ist, das würde ich auch gerne verstehen.
Ja, deswegen im VR außenrum ist, damit du nicht so nah am VR fährst.
Ja, das ist einfach auch schade.
Offline, cabin.
Secure.
Secure ignition is on. Transponder TCAS is DAR and above. Weather radars on. ATS flight director is engaged above flight component. Gucken wir hier nochmal über das Wetterradar. Above or below. Vom TCAS. We are ready.
Surface zone 30013, dusting 23 knots. Right turn 1 DV, runway 21, clear to take off.
Take off runway 21. Okay, anti-collision ist hier wieder woanders.
Stop power lights. Okay. And takeoff check is below the line.
Below line, wing cover on the ice. Up. Windshield window heat is on the low. Probes are on. CAS.
Jetzt sind sie. Takeoff config okay.
Takeoff config okay. Runway heading.
Checked.
90 to the left and clearance obtained. Yes, everything's clear.
Heading back. Where are you going now? Your brakes, your controls.
My brakes, my controls, ready.
Ready?
ATS engaged. 85 brakes released. Wow. Check takeoff thrust.
Takeoff thrust is checked. Disregard. 80.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive rate.
Gear up. Select enough.
Enough.
Vertical speed.
Vertical speed.
autopilot on.
Autopilot on.
Using collaborate.
You're up. 1000 to go.
Check. All's captured.
Checked.
Climb down to 3,000 feet.
Climb now. Altitude 3000 feet.
3000.
Biggin Tower, Golf Charlie, Lima, Foxtrot Yankee, Tower 6, repeat request.
Foxtrot Yankee 17 on point Alpha 1, runway 21.
Proceed to holding point Alpha 1 for runway 21, Golf Charlie, Lima, Foxtrot.
Contact Thames Director 128.025.
Thames Director 128.025. Goodbye. CBDOC kunde vara en falsch moment.
Yeah.
Thames Director, good afternoon. LYDD 2 departure, passing 2,900, climbing 3,000 feet.
Thames, hello, flight heading 095, it's a radar control 7.
Fly heading 095.
Heading selected. 095.
6,000 feet, City QNH 1022.
6,000 feet, 1022.
Not standard accelerating. 200 set. Speed increasing, flap 0. And after takeoff, transfer bleeds, APU off, and climb thrust.
Takeoff checklist. Landing gear lever up, flaps 0, thrust reverses off, and thrust set. Please transfer APU off. CAS, ignition AB, pressurization checked, after takeoff checked, completed.
EQ speed 220.
Climb down to altitude 4,000 feet.
Climb now, altitude 4,000 feet.
4,000 feet, vertical speed. And 1,000.
You're heading to London 120.180.
Heading to London 120.180. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. EGH 30 Bravo, fantastic.
London, good afternoon. Radar heading 095, passing 3,600, climbing 4,000 feet.
Good afternoon, climb down to altitude 6,000 feet.
Climb now, altitude 6,000 feet.
6,000 feet set.
Place 202, descent flight level 1.
About 100, place 2. Runway United, now rapid descending 160, after 3
1500.
United Alpha Alpha London Control, good afternoon, descent level 130, wind level, 2 knots, delay time.